Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed chicken with Sichuan vegetables using your rice cooker. And let's start cooking. Now we're going to do a simple marinade on our chicken. I have with me over here 280 grams of boneless and skinless chicken leg meat. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, the stem of 1 stalk of spring onion, put everything in, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Let's just mix this up first. The corn flour is to protect the protein so that it will remain tender. This is a very easy and convenient dish to cook. Later we'll just steam this together when we cook our rice. Extremely easy, especially for those that work at home who wants a delicious and easy lunch. This will be the one to go for. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in a little bit of oil. Just a little bit will do. This will ensure that when we steam the chicken, it will be very smooth and extremely tender. Now if you want to use sesame oil, you can do so too, no problem. I'm just using regular cooking oil. Once you have mixed them up well, we'll add in our preserved Sichuan vegetables. These 80 grams of Sichuan vegetables that comes in the convenient pack like this. If you're using those that come in one huge ball, make sure that you slice them thinly and soak them in water for approximately 30 minutes before you use them, because those are extremely salty and these are not. So we put everything in and we mix them up again. Right? Once you have mixed them up well, just pat them down flat. I like my dish to be a little bit spicy, so I'm adding in 1 red chili, sliced thinly like this. Now this is totally optional. If you don't like it, you don't have to put this in. We'll let this marinate for approximately 20 minutes before we steam them with our rice. If you decide to rest this in the fridge because you are making this earlier, I would suggest that you bring this out and let it rest at room temperature for at least 20 to 30 minutes before you cook it, so that they'll be cooked properly. I'll see you back in a while. I've marinated the chicken for 20 minutes already, and now it's time to cook them. Inside my rice cooker, I have washed raw rice with water. I'm going to put my steaming tray over here. Using the steam from the rice, I will steam our chicken together. Put it in, close the lid, turn on the rice cooker, choose, and we activate this. When the rice is cooked, so will our chicken. If you do not have a rice cooker and you prefer to steam this separately, over rapid boiling water, you will just need to steam the chicken for approximately 8 to 10 minutes at medium heat. I'll catch you back in a while. The rice is cooked already, and so will the chicken. Let's have a look. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. All we have to do now is just to sprinkle some spring onions on top, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. This is going to be so good. On the rice with a little bit of sauce. Smells absolutely delicious. Let's give this a taste. The rice with the sauce, beautiful. Let's try the chicken. Tender. The taste merged with the Sichuan vegetables, perfect. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. Really good.